Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm taking you on a walkthrough at the at-home store. I want to see what fabulous Christmas decor they have and if they have anything that's trending. So if you want to take a walk with me, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. So the first aisle I'm checking out here, guys, is the ice cold aisle, right? The Winter Wonderland aisle, and they have some amazing stuff. Look at this cute little decorative piece here for only $7.99. Then you have the reindeer with all the glitter and all the glam. They just have such a wide selection in this aisle. So if you're looking for lots of glitter, lots of glam, you know, winter wonderland, icy, this is the aisle that you go to at the at-home store. They have a wide array of ornaments, different sizes, white, iridescence, silver, you name it. This is the place you want to be if that is the look that you're going for the holidays. In addition to all the ornaments, they have these silver metallic reindeer. They have them sitting, standing. You know, these are like tabletop items. They also have like the wordings, "'Tis the season, Merry Christmas." And again, guys, like I say, this aisle is iced out. Okay, I especially loved this piece that says Winter Wonderland, an amazing piece that you can use on top of like your entryway table or even your kitchen island. Then they have the Christmas trees, and again they also have pieces to go like on your wall or just to use maybe as a backdrop to some of your Christmas decor. Then I started checking out some of their other figurines that they have. I love this Santa right here. Santa right here is looking like Moses with the rod, but okay. A very nice piece if you're doing like your little vignettes and things of that nature. This is a beautiful, beautiful piece. They also have these beautiful little angels that's all glammed up with their beautiful wings and their gowns. Again, beautiful if you're going to make a vignette or even if you want to place these in your built-in, like if you have built-ins at different levels of your built-in to add a little of that glamorous holiday flair. They also have these beautiful Christmas lanterns that are very nice to place around your home during the holiday season with those LED candles that's flameless for some very nice uplighting around your home, maybe on your fireplace, on the floor, a tabletop. They work anywhere. Absolutely beautiful. I also checked out these beautiful crystal-like snowflakes. They're huge. They look bigger in person than they do on camera, but they were so gorgeous, guys. And then right beside that, I went over and was checking out these beautifully embellished pine cones. Aren't these gorgeous? Like if I were to do a winter wonderland this Christmas, I would stay. This would be the aisle for me. So check out this aisle at the at-home store, guys, if you're doing a winter wonderland. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. Now check out these warm and fuzzy snowflake. Did you hear that? Warm and fuzzy snowflakes. These are so cute, guys, and they have little birds. Like I spent a lot of my time, most of my time in this aisle. I just couldn't get enough of all the beautiful things I was seeing and just creating things in my mind. Like I put a whole look together all in my head before I left this aisle. Super gorgeous stuff at affordable prices. My next stop was the aisle with all the gold stuff in there, honey. You know I'm a gold girl, okay? And they did not disappoint either. They have the most beautiful ornaments. And if my memory serves me correctly, I do believe that I already have this ornament from last year, but I'll have to check my stock. If you are going with a gold theme or any kind of gold incorporated into your Christmas decor for this year, they have some amazing pieces and they do have a wide variety. So check this aisle out. Check out that snowflake. Wow. Check this aisle out, guys. Again, you will not be disappointed. They pretty much have everything to meet your home decor needs for Christmas. Whatever theme you're going with, whatever color, if you're going with metallics, white, whatever, you are going to find something at the at-home store that meets that need. And here we are again, guys, looking at some more beautiful figurines with the gold tones and their embellished gowns. Absolutely beautiful. Again, guys, these are good to use anywhere. If you're decorating one spot, you can move it around the house to a bedroom, a living room, an entryway, a tabletop. Just so much to see here, so much that you can get the beautiful angels. My gosh, I just absolutely love looking at these. As I moved down the aisle, I came up on this unique piece. This is a beautiful black angel with dreads. She got locks. You hear me? I absolutely love this. I have never seen it done like this before where they have angels with the locked hair. But if you have seen it, let me know in the comments below. Super gorge. I moved down, I checked out all the beautiful reindeer that they have. These ones have the beautifully embellished antlers. And honey, the nutcrackers are out and they're ready to go. These are super, super cute. And I like the size of these ones for making beautiful little vignettes around the house. My next stop was the traditional aisle with all the beautiful popping red and whites. Now they have a wide array of ribbons, guys. They have Christmas trees, the gingerbread houses, everything. This was so nostalgic to me. Just reminded me of when I was a child. They also have beautiful, playful ornaments. They did not disappoint. Like, to be honest, this year I'm really impressed with the at-home store. They've always had beautiful items, always put beautiful items out, but at this time of year, they're usually just now putting the stuff out, but this year they are ready to go. Check out these gingerbread houses. Aren't they gorgeous? I just love them. It just gives me that warm, fuzzy feeling inside. And they have a good collection of them, guys. They have them just like single like that. And then they have ones that were bigger. And then they have the little miniature ones. So wide variety. There was just so much to see on this trip to the at-home store. I couldn't get enough. I was having me a good old time. It was fairly early and the store was not crowded, so I just took my time, browsed, and looked at every single thing. Then I went to this aisle with all the pink stuff. And oh my goodness, take a look at how delicious these look. At this point, I started to wonder if I needed to change my theme and my color for Christmas. These were so pretty, just fun stuff, right? Like the lollipops, they had cupcakes, and the colors. They were just so beautiful. I was like a kid in a candy store. This is definitely the fun aisle. If you have like a little girl and you want to decorate a tree in her bedroom, this is the aisle you need to be in with all this little cute stuff that just makes a girl smile. Now you could even do a big tree with this for Christmas. I would love to do a tree like this if I were going to do like a girls brunch with like a lot of hot chocolate and cakes and pastries and just have that tree as a backdrop. That would be absolutely beautiful also. So if you're thinking of doing any kind of a Christmas breakfast or brunch with your girls, this would be a great aisle for you if you want to deck out a tree just in that spirit of fun, light, cutesy, demure. You know what I mean. As I moved down the aisle, I came upon like the bigger pieces of like the lollipops, the donuts, and these are good for tree toppers, like over exaggerated, big, fun, whimsical. These would be great to make a nice tree topper. See, you have, like I said, the lollipops, the donut, they even have cotton candy, all different items, and they look so beautiful. Like the traditional aisle, this aisle also has the beautiful gingerbread houses in the pastel colors. Nicely themed, everything well put together and beautiful. Just pick them up and you're ready to go. Next stop is the blue aisle, and this aisle is for all my blue girlies who love like the jewel tones at Christmas. They have some really beautiful pieces. If you're going for that royal look, then this is the aisle you need to be in with the rich, like I said, jewel tones, the greens, the blues. My penny pinchers who love the peacock theme, this is going to be your aisle, and they have a wide variety of ornaments and other pieces to complete your royal look. As I continued browsing, I came upon this nutcracker about 4 feet tall with the pastel colors that would work perfectly with that whimsical theme for a completed look of that magic. Now off to the pink aisle we go. Of course you didn't think I forgot about you. I had to search for the pink aisle, okay? And they did not disappoint, guys. They have all things pink. Look at these beautiful wreaths that they have. Absolutely gorge. They also have these white feathered ones, and I do believe they had these when I went into the gold aisle as well. But they have a wide array of gift boxes. Again, they have the beautiful angels. Whatever color you're looking for, guys, you're going to find it here. And the pinks, the colors, the tones did not disappoint. Everything in this aisle was absolutely beautiful. Like I said, they have a wide array. They have everything from nutcrackers to the reindeer, and these reindeer have the beautifully embellished backs as I'm showing you here. Super cute. If this is the color you're going for Christmas, then this is the aisle that you want to be in. Now check out these beautiful ornaments in the pink aisle. Guys, they even have the viral velvet ornaments in pink. Now, you know these ornaments have been trending for the last 2 years or so. So if this is your color, Run up to the at-home store now and pick you up some before they're all gone. Alright guys, we're coming close to the end. The last place I went was that huge display area like in the center of the store. And it's a winter wonderland there also. They have beautiful gift boxes, all different sizes, all different heights. Super, super gorgeous. So if these are things that you're looking for, go now. Don't wait, guys. Sometimes we think it's real early when we pick up our Christmas stuff. But if we want the best things, we need to go early before they're all gone. So stop by your at-home store and check out some of these items. See what's of interest to you. A lot of times we put up our Christmas decorations like right after Thanksgiving, but you can start collecting your items. You don't have to get everything all at once, just little by little, and by Thanksgiving you'll have all the Christmas decor that you need. Alright guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the at-home store, and I hope that you see items that are of interest to you so that way you can go ahead and start making your selections. Thank you so much for joining me again, and if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple, guys. Just click on the subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And in this season, I'm coming in hot and heavy with the videos, okay? All right, thank you so much again to my wonderful Penny Pinchers. You know exactly how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.